Y'all seen some of these Anthony Black dunks? Like they are just absurd. Absurd. Dude is just gliding in midair. That photo of him just dunking over four Grizzlies. There's no words to describe how insane that is. Push cross, pick up, and then boom it with one hand. Like, man, that's crazy. That's crazy stuff. And Anthony Black and Tristan da Silva for the Magic have just been chef's kiss. I know Black, he had that jersey swap moment that he was known for. Y'all know which one I'm talking about. And I'm not really going to say it. Dude just came out of this season and he stepped up. Not even just the slashing, transition, and as well as being a defender. It's also the shooting. He's a capable shooter, which I thought was just going to be a negative in his game, but there's legitimate confidence as a shooter for him.